Hello everyone! Have you ever wondered why the same product can have different prices depending on where you buy it? Or why most products are priced at 99 pesos instead of 100? Well, that's not just coincidence. Business carefully planned their prices, and today we're going to discover why. Let's start with the question. What is price? So price is the amount of money that customers exchange to acquire a product or services. However, price is not only about money. It is also includes psychological costs such as time, effort, and convenience involved in buying and using a product. For example, two stores selling the same pair of shoes at exactly the same price. In the first store, you can buy them immediately. In the second store, you have to wait 2 hours. Most people will choose the first store because time and convenience also have value. That's why price represents not only money but also the total value customers give up to obtain a product. Now that we've learned what price is, let's understand its nature. Armin, please continue.
So, thank you, Shaina. Now, let's discuss the nature of price. Price is the total cost paid by customers, usually expressed in currency like pesos or centavos. It also includes the monetary, non-monetary costs associated with acquiring a using product. So, another importance is the pricing decision influence customers' behavior. If the price is too expensive, customers may decide not to buy the product. But the price is too low, the business may not earn enough profit. Because of these companies develop pricing strategies that attract customers while still helping them achieve business goals. This show the cities the right price is important because it benefits both customers and businesses. Now that we understand the nature of price, let's explore the different pricing strategies businesses use. Beatrice?
Thank you, Armin. Businesses are use different pricing strategy depending on their objective. This includes cost-based pricing, where total costs are calculated and the desired profit is added. Demand-based pricing, where prices depend on consumers' demand. Computation-based pricing, where businesses compare their price with competitors. Customary pricing, where prices remain stable over time. Variable pricing, where prices change depending on demand. Flexible pricing, where prices can be negotiated. All pricing such as 99 pesos instead of 100 pesos to make products appear more affordable. Prestige pricing, where higher prices create an image of high quality. Leader pricing, where selected products are sold at low prices to attract customers. Multiple unit pricing, which offers discount for bulk purchasing. Price lining, where products are grouped into different price levels. And finally, price bundling and price unbundling, where products are either sold together as one or packaged or separately. This strategy helps businesses compete in the market while meeting customers' needs. Now, let's move on to the final part of discussion.
So now, let's discuss the geographic pricing. When we say geographic pricing, this strategy adjusts pricing depending to the customer's location. So, business also establish term payment and discount. When we say discounts may be offered for cash payment, bulk purchase, seasonal purchase of customers. who perform center business function. When determining the right price, business considered customers' perception of value, production, and operating costs of the profit they want to achieve.
The second factor includes market demand, competitors' pricing strategies, and the economic, social, and regulatory environment. To conclude, price is more than just money. It influences customer decision, affects business profitability, and plays an important role in achieving business success. Business must choose pricing strategies that balance customer satisfaction with company objectives. That concludes our presentation on price, nature, and strategy. Thank you for watching. Hope you learned something new today. Have a great day. Bye-bye.
I just had to let you know you're